My mama told me when I was a kid, when a redbird flies, close your eyes, make a wish. Right around the time my faith went missing, praying for an angel, but the wings look different. God, if you're listening, could you send me one down? 'Cause I can use a redbird right now, one from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me by sending someone up in heaven down to earth for just a second. I know you know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly, fly, fly. This world's so dark, it's like all the colors gone. Sometimes I feel like I'm fighting on my own. Then I see all I need in a pine tree out of the blue. It reminds me your timing is better than mine. I know it's true, but I could use a redbird right now, one from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me by sending someone up in heaven down to earth for just a second. I know you know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly, fly, Mama told me when I was a kid, when a redbird flies, close your eyes, make a wish. And here it is, I could use a redbird right now, one from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me